welcome to today's vlog. We're gonna be using this new baby, the Insta360 Go Ultra, to vlog for today. Let me just get it out of that, attach it here, hands free, and now let's go wake up my baby. Good morning! Good morning, my baby girl. Come to mama. Yeah. Wow. Give mama a kiss. Let's remove your sleep suit. Merry Christmas. All done. Drink water. Oh, your favorite. Let's wait for Achi, yes? A line? A line. Okay, practice crawling. Crawl to mommy. Oh, that was a new style. Come on, Bella Bear. Oh, whoa, very good. Good job, Bella Bear. Who is it? Good morning, Auntie. Good morning. Where's Mommy's big hug and big kiss? Good morning. Let's go have breakfast. Breakfast time, Bella Bear. Three hearts.
I love you to Mommy. I love you to Bella. I love you to Daddy.
Aw, thank you, my love. More, Bella Bear?
Mom, this is
More. Okay,
Right.
more. Let's go for a walk, my love. Let's go.
No.
Yeah, there are lots of trees here, my love.
Hi, Bella Bear.
Stop. You were too slow.
Okay, ready, get set.
Mom.
Sienna Puck will blow the horn.
Unfair.
Oh, bye.
Let's cheer for Achi, yes?
Go!
Dada, correct. Should we stay here or should we go to the playground? What do you think? Playground? Go! Let's go.
Careful, watch.
Go! Come to mommy. Okay, Dad, here you go. Mommy's turn, catch mom. Come to mommy. Say hi. Hi. That was such a good walk with the kids. I'm so excited to see the footage from that walk and playtime with the kids because I've never really seen their POV, especially with Bella because she is in a stroller that's front facing. So I don't get to see her face when we're going on these walks. She's such a yapper. So she says so many things while we're on these walks. And I wish I could see her expression while she's saying or like oohing and eyeing and making these different sounds. And now I get to finally see them because I have my Insta360 Go Ultra. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm enjoying using this thing. It's so tiny. Let me show you where you guys are. Let me remove you. Okay, so you guys are here. I attached you guys here using this Insta360 mount. So it's a suction mount and you can attach it onto a lot of different surfaces and it's a really, really strong mount. And it also helps that this camera is so light. It's only 53 grams. Because let me tell you, I bought those things that you saw on TikTok shop. The one that went viral, the suction thing where you can like put your phone and everything, and they claim that it works on all the different surfaces. My phone has fallen so many times because of that. But this just works because the camera is so light and portable. I feel like I'll be bringing this camera around with me more, especially when we travel, because it's just so travel friendly. And there's so many times when I want to take videos of the kids, but then I don't want to lose the moment. I don't want to have to cut the moment short and get my camera out and then hold their hand, but at the same time hold the camera on the other hand. Like sometimes it makes me feel so overstimulated and it just stresses me out. So I end up like not vlogging or not taking any videos of the kids, even though I super duper want to catch that moment and be able to watch it again afterwards. Like I just end up not doing it. But with this one, because this one is easy to mount on, let me get the mount. So I have the different mounts that I'm using with my Insta360 Go Ultra. It has this magnetic pendant. So this is what I used earlier, you guys saw. And it's so easy to just switch from like portrait mode and landscape mode. And then during our walk, you guys saw I was using this other mount that you can use also for bikes and other stuff. So it's that mount. And then I can also use this. It's an easy clip. So basically you can clip this onto, let's say, onto a hat. And then you can film, like, let's say your toddler or your kid and their facial expression the first time that they see, let's say, a mascot, or the first time they go on this slide. Like, it's just a really, really cute and easy way of capturing these moments. I also love that this camera has such a wide POV. There's a lot of different angles for you to choose from. Like, there's an ultra wide angle, there's a mega. My favorite is a linear. That's what I'm using right now. If you're using the easy clip, which you'll see later, maybe I'll put it on Sienna because she really loves it. You can put it on, and then you can also put like a toddler Titan mode, so it's also a little bit wider. And I love that this camera is able to capture super duper stable videos at 4K. So the quality is also really good. It can capture like 4K, 60 FPS. So this is the action pod of the Insta360 Go. It actually has this screen as well. So if you're more of the type that you want to see yourself while you're vlogging or taking videos, you can also do that. And even though the standalone camera, the tiny thing, is way over there, it's still connected here. It can also connect to my phone, to the Insta360 app. It's just so convenient. Actually, I also have another mount here, but this is a sticky tab. So the camera also attaches on here, and then you could just stick this onto other surfaces. Let's say you were wearing like a thicker piece of clothing, so maybe you don't want to use the magnetic pendant, then you can use this. Or maybe it's a trickier surface that needs like a stronger adhesive, and you can use this. You can use it multiple times. I always have this in my bag just in case. This camera alone is magnetic, so by itself you can mount this onto different surfaces as well, even if you don't have all different accessories. And then if you are more of a selfie stick kind of girl, I also have this. It also works like a tripod. Ta-da! Super cool. I also have the wireless remote. We can do family photos now without having to ask other people to take our photo. I'm just so excited to play around with this camera even more. I feel like this just makes capturing photos and videos so much easier now. It's just such a nice little thing to play with. And speaking of little, you'd think that because the Insta360 Go Ultra is so tiny that it's probably also not as powerful. Like, it's probably just gonna keep dying on you and you have to keep charging it. No. I was so amazed testing this baby out. If you're using the standalone camera, it has a 17-minute runtime. And then if you're using it with the action pod, which is this one, the runtime can reach to 180 minutes. And if you run out of battery, no sweat, because it also charges super fast. Like, you get up to 80% already in just 12 minutes, which is amazing. My only problem right now with this new camera is I think Sienna thinks it's her toy. So she loves getting the camera from me and pretending that she's like mama. Anyway, now I am preparing to head to my meeting, a top secret meeting. I'm working on something really special that I can't wait to share with you guys. Hopefully very, very soon. Actually contemplating if I should bring Bella Bear with me, but baka naman my meeting will be short lang so I can come back right away and I won't have to miss a breastfeeding session, because I really prefer breastfeeding her direct now. Okay, just in case we need to pump, we need to find pumping friendly outfit. I have to strategize for my top. Your pants. Actually, I'm gonna wear a shirt instead. I could just lift it up when I need to pump. We're going for a simple, casual businesswoman, you know? So this is a Sandro blazer, COS shirt, COS pants, Bally shoes, leather bag. This is actually my everyday bag. Everything is here. I'm going to Pilates later, so this fits my Pilates stuff. So yeah. I just need to accessorize and then we're good to go. Time to eat lunch. So I got some packed lunch because I didn't have time to eat before my meeting. This is what happens when you're a working mama that's always rushing. This is one of my favorites that our cook at home does. It's like a shrimp taco with avocados, and it's just really, really good. It's so good. Already here. Let's hope we finish in an hour so that I can be on time, head to Pilates, and feed Bella Bear and not have to pump. I love meetings with food. My business. Let's do this. Time to go to Pilates. Just finished my Pilates workout. That was a good workout. Always puts me in such a good mood. Now I'm gonna put my football mom mode on because Sienna is currently at her football practice. My football star is right there. What kind of snack do you want to buy?
Something what I can eat in the car.
Let's buy you a snack, but you cannot eat it before dinner, okay?
Like the cookie.
Sige, you can eat a little bit, maybe 2 bites. How was your football? What did you learn?
Good.
Let's go to the bread place to buy you a snack, okay?
Yeah. We're going to a snack store. Oh, what's this bread shop? Some sourdough.
This one though has sugar, and this one has cheese and apple jam. Which one do you think? Or do you want to get these cookies?
I want some of the cookies and some of breads.
Okay.
Just gonna get this one.
Oh, just that one? Okay.
We need
the cookie that you like.
Yeah. What is this?
It's like milk cookies.
These only.
Like both?
Yeah.
Hi.
I'll pay po.
Oh, you can. Thank you.
Thank you. Yum. Wee.
Which one are you gonna taste in the car?
I'm not sure yet. I really want to taste two though.
Okay, mommy allow.
Thanks. Let's go home.
Kids are now in bed. It's 7:50 p.m. and as usual, I'm also already in pajamas, ready to go to bed. I already turned on my scented candle. My water is refilled. I'm probably gonna put on a movie and then try my hardest to wait for Yoni to come home. Hopefully, I'm still awake by the time he's home. And then tomorrow is another day. I really enjoyed it making this vlog. I'm playing around with my new Insta 360 Go Ultra. It's really so freaking easy to use. Let me know how you guys like this vlog and how I filmed it. I hope that you guys like it as much as I do.